Which of the following measures is used to determine the quality of a computer? Right answer is dots per square inch. Next question. Dash is the mode we use to execute the instruction from a computer. Answer is sequential and parallel, both A and B. Modern computers are reliable, but they don't have self-thinking. The system unit of a personal computer typically contains all of the following except modem. What is meant by devoted computer? Which is assigned with only one task. Next question. A computer program that converts an entire program into a machine language is called as compiler. Next question. A computer program that converts one by one instruction into a machine language is called as interpreter. Next question. Dash is an internet-based computing solution where shared resources are provided, cloud computing. Next question. Dash is the language that computer can understand and execute, that is machine level language. Next question. Dash is a set of instructions, also called a program, that tells a computer how to perform tasks. It is software. Next question. Router is a device. Dash device. Router is a input and output device. Input and output device. Next question. Scanner is dash device. Scanner is a input device. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.